Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Click on subscribe and hit on bell icon for our updates. Today we'll see how to make tasty carrot halwa. Take 5 to 6 carrots, peel them off and grate them all in this manner. Now take a pan, add 2 spoons of ghee. You can use oil also in place of ghee. And fry raisins first, badam and kaju next, and keep them aside. Take 1 more spoon of ghee. Add 1 cup of grated carrot and fry it in the ghee for about 10 minutes by closing with a lid. Add 1 glass of milk and mix it thoroughly and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup of sugar and mix it when it starts melting. Cook it for 5 more minutes and add dry fruits to it. Friends, our very tasty and a colorful carrot halwa ready. Hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe and hit on bell icon for our updates.